Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best dog DNA test is probably one of the most fascinating ways to understand your furry friend. Ever wondered what breeds make up your unique dog? Or maybe you're curious about potential health risks? Well, in this video, we're diving deep into the world of dog DNA tests, exploring their accuracy, ease of use, and overall value. Get ready to uncover the secrets hidden within your dog's DNA and gain a whole new perspective on their health and behavior. Number 5. Wisdom Panel Dog DNA Kit, Accurate Breed Identification. This kit screens for over 365 breeds, providing a breed report with incredible accuracy. Knowing every detail about your dog helps you understand how to best care for them. With the MDR1 test, you'll discover if your dog might react negatively to common medications. This information helps you and your vet make informed decisions about their health. Nearly all dogs tested have a relative match through Wisdom Panel. You can see photos, compare DNA results, and even send messages to connect with other dog owners. Trace their family tree back 3 generations to learn about their unique breed mix. You'll also gain insights into their behavioral tendencies, helping you understand their quirks. Wisdom Panel is the leading dog DNA service. It's known for its quick, painless process and accurate results. The insights you gain will be valuable for years to come. What we like. This kit is all about accuracy and comprehensive insights. It offers the most accurate breed identification, helping you understand your dog's ancestry and potential health risks. If you're looking for the most detailed breed breakdown and want to connect with your dog's relatives, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The test was easy to administer. The results were available quickly. The results were accurate. Number 4. Embark Dog DNA Test Kit. Are you curious about your dog's background? This kit can identify over 400 breeds with 99% accuracy. It uses a research-grade platform to give you the most accurate results. Want to connect with your dog's relatives? This kit includes a relative finder. Over 90% of dogs tested have a close relative, and some even find direct family members. Learn about your dog's family history, going back to their great-grandparents. The DNA analysis reveals the routes their ancestors took. It's a fascinating journey. Understand your dog's instincts with the personality quiz. It reveals which traits are from their breed and which are uniquely their own. It's a fun way to learn more about them. Get your results in 2 to 4 weeks with updates every step of the way. If you have questions, talk to a vet or geneticist. The kit is easy to use, and support is available. What we like. This kit focuses on accuracy and connection. It provides highly accurate breed identification and helps you find your dog's relatives. If you are curious about your dog's family and want to understand their personality better, this kit is ideal. What people say. Collecting the sample was quick, and I got updates along the way while waiting for the results. The breakdown of breeds was super detailed and included traits and health insights, which was really interesting to learn about. It was very easy, and the turnaround was only 2 to 3 weeks during the summer. Number 3. Wisdom Health Essential Dog DNA Kit. This kit screens for over 365 breeds, providing a breed report with incredible accuracy. Knowing every detail helps you understand how to care for them. The kit screens for genetic health tests, including MDR1 and IVDD. This helps you get ahead of health risks and create a personalized care plan with your vet. 99.9% of dogs tested have a relative match through Wisdom Panel. You can see photos, compare DNA results, and send messages with the world's largest breed database. Know them better inside and out. This kit screens for 51 traits so you can learn how their one-of-a-kind appearance came to be. Plus, understand their individual quirks. Wisdom Panel is the world's leading dog DNA service. It offers a quick, painless swabbing process, fast and accurate results, and reliable insights you can use for years to come. What we like. This kit offers a deep dive into your dog's health and traits. It screens for numerous breeds and health conditions, providing valuable insights for proactive care. If you want to understand your dog's health risks and behavioral tendencies, this kit is a great option. What people say. The test was easy to administer. The results were available quickly. The results were accurate. Number 2. Embark Dog DNA Test Kit. This kit tests for over 270 genetic health conditions. Knowing the risks allows you to create a personalized care plan with your vet. Many owners have changed their dog's care after receiving the results. The test identifies over 400 breeds, using a research-grade platform. It offers the most accurate breed breakdown available. This helps you understand your dog's background. The test reveals 55 physical traits, like size and grooming needs. Knowing these traits helps you be a more informed pet owner. It helps you prepare for your dog's needs. Discover your dog's risk for 4 allergy types. This test provides personalized allergy risk insights. You'll also get expert tips to manage allergies. Find out which instincts are rooted in your pup's breed mix. Discover which traits are uniquely their own. This helps you understand your dog's personality. Find and connect with your dog's relatives. This uses patented technology to find family members. Nearly 1 million messages have been exchanged, leading to happy reunions. Get answers from dedicated vets and geneticists. Results are generally delivered in 2 to 4 weeks. You'll be kept updated throughout the process. What we like. This kit provides actionable health insights and allergy risk scores. It helps you understand potential health issues and manage them effectively. If you are concerned about your dog's health and want to be proactive about allergy management, you should consider this one. What people say. The Embark Breed and Health Kit is one of the most comprehensive DNA tests you can get for your dog, and it lives up to the hype in real use. Setup is easy. Swab the cheek, send it back, and within a few weeks you get a detailed online report that goes way beyond basic breed guesses. Many owners find the health insights alone worth the investment, especially if you have a purebred or mixed dog with unknown background. Number 1. Basepaws Dog DNA Test Kit. Want to know more about your dog's background? This kit helps you understand your dog's unique ancestry and connect with their heritage. It's a comprehensive way to learn about your pet's past. This kit tests for over 330 breeds. You can better understand your dog's needs. This will help you understand your canine traits better. Take a proactive approach to your dog's health. The kit screens for potential genetic health risks. This helps you take preemptive measures for your puppy's well-being. Discover more than 30 traits that make your dog unique. From coat color to size, you'll learn what makes them special. This will give you a better understanding of your dog. This kit goes beyond breed identification. It dives into potential genetic health issues. This equips you with vital information for your dog's long-term health. Basepaws is trusted by many pet parents and vets. It provides actionable insights to help create care plans for your pet. This is a great way to care for your dog. What we like. This kit offers a holistic view of your dog's health and heritage. It tests for numerous breeds, health risks, and traits, providing a comprehensive understanding of your dog. If you want a complete picture of your dog's genetic makeup and potential health issues, this is the kit for you. What people say. Easy to use and get results quickly. The ancestry breakdown was fascinating, identifying my cat's primary breed group and even estimating wildcat heritage. The health section flagged one variant linked to a common condition, which prompted me to discuss preventive care with my vet. Definitely a valuable heads up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.